Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.